Ballesteros, Cagayan. I told you they sound just as good as they look. All right, Ballesteros, on your left. Pick out a card. Pass it to me. Ooh, your word is opportunist.
Mabuhay! Naniniwala po ako ng pagiging oportunista ay parte na ng ating kasalukuyang realidad na kailangan nating bigyang prioridad. I personally believe that we should fight against opportunists by destructing our environment and our Mother Earth because we need to heal it. We need to collaborate to be able to regenerate what has been damaged. Because in the end, the Earth is not transformed by chance, but by choices. And we should always choose to fight against opportunists. Thank you.
30 seconds well spent. Thank you very much, Ballesteros, Cagayan.